on YouTube? This your boy Most Incredible, back with an incredible video today. Y'all see I got Yoshi. I got Red Velvet over there in the garage looking all ugly and stuff. But today I got an incredible video, but it's not about Yoshi and it's not about Red Velvet. Now, we bought this house back in 2018, right? And we had some little amount of work need to be done to it, and I kept putting the gutters off, like, oh, I gotta do the gutters, oh, I'm gonna do them, I'm gonna do the gutters, I'm gonna do the gutters. And now, since I had time to do them, I don't want to do them because they got one problem to it. This is the problem. So whoever did the gutters before us, very unprofessional. Like, how you got your drain system all the way over here, but then you got a piece, your drain, your outage right here. So your drain system should be right here. So that whole white thing right here should be right here. So why is it ready? Why is it not even equaling up to it? Like, I mean, help me. It's like, it would have been even better, to be honest, if you would have put it right here, if you'd have did this and still have some gutters coming this way, and you could have run the drain, run that down here. Like, that would have been so much better. Run from here to all the way down here. It was pointless even having that up there right there. So I'm about to correct this whole thing. I'm about to move this over this an inch to see how it really fits. So y'all watch me do this. And no, I'm not a home improvement. No, I'm not that. No, I'm not this. But this is what they had up there at first. And I had it up here for a while too. This is what they had up there. They rigged it up to move it. And that's bad. That's very bad. But not only that, now I'm thinking this side is even, but yo, I've been slacking on my pimp. I'm slacking on my job, yo. Y'all see all this? All of this too. Have to do all this. And like I said, no, I'm not the person to do all this. I'm not a carpentry. I'm not none of that. Whoa. I learn as I go. So I'm back from Lowe's. I went out and bought this piece, the long piece, right? I went out and bought this long piece. I cut it already because I'm using my jigsaw to cut it with. And I measured it and everything too as well. And I got my piece cut it out. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got to do. I measured it and everything. As you can see, I got the new piece right here. I got that out. So basically it'll be new pieces up here. So what I'm planning on doing is that, y'all keep game. Let me put this up here. Let me put this right here. Let me put this right here. So what I'm planning on doing is putting it like this. So when I put it like that, it'll be like right there. So it's right there on it, right? So then this piece right here, that piece right there, it goes, all right, this stops about, I'll say about, I'm gonna have to cut it. I'll put it right there, my fault. So I have to take this hinge off right here, right? I gotta take this hinge off. So then this piece right here come in and go about right here to there, which is cool. I'm a cut it. I'm a little short, so I probably ain't gonna put it all the way in. So this is it right here. So this would be a brand new piece, and the rest of it be old pieces. So I'm getting it done. Like I said. Oh, come here. I need you anyway. So y'all see how that little piece right there is cut off right there? That little piece right there cut off? Walk with me, pimpin'. So that little piece right there, and I got this piece right here. So it goes on like that. So that way the water won't come out this end. It'll go all the way down. So your boy getting it in. It's hot out here. Dude, I'm about to move the gutter. So what I got to do now, I have to cut it. I'm gonna cut it while it's up here, because I don't feel like taking it all the way off. I'm gonna cut it while it's up here, and pretty much I'm gonna take this piece off. And once I take this piece off, we go from there. And I'll put that piece probably about back here somewhere so you can hold it up. Then I'll put another one right back here to where it been. But you know, we're gonna get it done together. So I told you I was gonna cut it while it was up there, and I did it. So I did that, and throwing that all out, I'm putting new pieces in there. I might not have to. I thought I would have to cut it. I thought I would have to cut it some more. Let's see, this is how it basically gonna fit in. I'm about to move this out, because this is how it's gonna fit in there. Once it fit in there, then that piece is gonna come in the hand, and then I'll be done with it. So probably about another 10, 15 minutes, I'll be done with the whole thing right here. So let me take this piece off and move it down here to put it up there. So what I'm gonna do, put it like right there, put it right up under there so you can hold it. And we good, let's get it. Okay guys, I thought it was gonna be a simple process, but I mess up because this piece right here is bigger than my new piece that I put up there. So my old piece is smaller than my new piece. So when it comes right here, when it comes to this one right here, the sun is shining brightly. When it comes to this piece right here, I'm gonna keep that piece up there because it's not as bad as that piece was. So I'm gonna still keep it up there, and I'm gonna keep it up there because, bro, I'm tired now. So I got a whole new piece right here and old piece still. So I'm cool with it because as long as it get done and as long as it get fixed, I'm good with it. So, yo, your boy's on the road. Y'all know why I'm back, because I got it done. That's not coming down. I'll keep that up there. So I got it all the way done, all the way around. Like that drain system had all the bad stuff, so now it got new drains so it could drain out properly. You want the water be running like right here. See that big behind hole? You see that big behind hole because of all the rain that been hitting, it's been going down there. So that part right there, and then this over here too as well. It has been pushing the mulch back, but I don't know, one day I might just pull the mulch up because you can see it had black mulch on the bottom of it. I just cover it up. So now I gotta go fix this down here because I taped it up thinking it would fit. Probably I might not even worry about it because actually the rain was coming from here. It was just killing everything down here. So that's it. Like, I'm completely done with all of this. I'm completely done with it. That too. The gutters on that side, but the sun is shining over there so bad that I can't really show y'all. But yo, it's your boy Most Incredible, and I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe. Look, I don't do this often, and I barely even do it. I barely do this. Barely. Mom, I love you. P.O.P. Hold it down. But nah, I don't barely do this type of work. I do it often. And this is my first time putting some gutters up, just replacing, well, not putting them up, but replacing my gutters with the old ones with some new ones. It's fairly easy. But I heard with the gutters, when you first install them, you got to like angle it down a little bit so where the water could flow down out the drain system, not stay up there. So, but with everything else, I just got it up there. And then with this one, I just replaced the old one that was right there. But anyways, I'm out. Where's my manners? Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. This is some old pieces. These are pieces that was up there. Like, all of this. So, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You can share this if you want to. Yeah, go ahead and share it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Yeah, I'm waiting for the rain to come through to post this video up. So it came through. Y'all remember the gutters that I fixed? You know, I put this one down here. I got to let it go out this way. I gotta get it right. I'm gonna get that. I ain't worrying about that. Then this too, I gotta make sure that this goes out that way, not in my flower bed. Oh, y'all see it. Y'all see all that good work that I did. I did that. Come holler at me.